Hello, this is Chris Yost of Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Christmas Eve 2023, and behind me, newly arrived, is our all-new Grand Design Imagine 22BHE 2024 model. We're gonna show you the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. Right off the truck, here in the shop, ready to go. Obviously the same all aluminum frame, fiberglass exterior, heated underbelly. We have rock guard here for those dirt roads, two 20-pound LP tanks, power tongue jack. So here at Bullion RV, we fill those propane tanks. We put a brand new deep cycle 27 series interstate battery right there in a box on the tongue. We bring it inside one of our 24 service bays here at Bullion RV, and we give you a complete orientation. That's all included in our pricing. No hidden fees, no corporate games. Storage here in the front, look at that, motion sensor lighting, LED right there. This coach is inverter prepped in case you want to add one of those. Stab jacks on all four corners, huge LED lit power awning right there. Fold up aluminum steps, does have a TV antenna wired right to here with 110 plugs in case you want to throw that TV out here, watch the Vikings, or maybe a team that actually wins a game or two. And what's nice is they give you an LP quick connect right there. So no outdoor kitchen per se, but if you have your favorite Blackstone or Coleman grill, you can bring that along, put it right out here, cook underneath, and that's tied right to those LP tanks. There's no bringing extra tanks along if you don't want to. Also an outside spray port right here just for cold water. And here's your black tank flush for flushing out those black tanks. Black tank, sorry, not plural. Full walk-on roof, there's your roof ladder. This prep for your Furrion backup camera if you want to add one of those. You got the receiver hitch right there for a bike rack, or one of those platforms or totes to carry things with. What's nice about this coach, it's still very half-ton towable, about 5,600 pounds dry, only 25 feet 4 inches from end to end, which is a real nice size, especially for those state parks where there's not a ton of room to move around. So all new for this year is 2 slides, and we'll show you the inside here in just a minute. Tankless on-demand water heater, nice upgrade there. Here's the other side of the storage area, obviously held up by magnets just like that. There's your hookup center there with battery disconnect, actually 2 of them there. And you can also have the outside shower. You can run all your hoses right through here. And of course you got cable satellite hookup all in one spot. Let's go inside and see what we see. All right, so nice and bright. You got the new rope lighting here on the ceiling for 2024. Got your dinette that makes down a little bed right there. That's one of your slide outs. That one's back there in the bunk area. And you've got your TV, ducted air conditioning, ducted heat. Little prep station here, cell phone charger right there. 165 watt solar panel on the roof to trickle charge your battery to keep this 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator going. Nice big stainless steel sink with the sprayer. Keep people out of your area, just give them a little squirt. If someone's getting mouthy over there while they're eating, give them a spray. They'll shut up pretty quick. Either that or they'll leave. Huge drawer underneath here, which is for pans, whatever you want to store. Actual oven. You've got your 3-burner range hiding underneath that bubble wrap. And this also acts as a backsplash, which is so nice. And what's great about Grand Design, oh, for one thing, sorry, can't forget about the pantry they hide over here. Nice and deep right next to the fridge. Okay, so 2 pocket doors, one for the bathroom, one for the bunks. So, as always, porcelain toilet, more durable, easier to clean. Got some counter space actually next to the second stainless steel sink to put your toothbrush, hairbrush, hair dryer, whatever you want. Medicine cabinet. Oh, I have a lot of people that say, well, why don't they mount the toilet paper holder for us? Well, I'll tell you what. If we put it there or here or there, or if Grand Design does, guess what you're going to say? I don't want it there. Well, put it wherever you want. So that's why they do that, which I think is a great idea. Got some linen storage right there. Nice big shower. Not a big step up into there with the skylight, which I always say. I'll show you here. So I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with you, but with the skylight here, even I could get clean. Once again, there's that pocket door that closes off. Gives you space to get dried off, get changed. Swing right over here. Here is the bunk area. Okay, which is nice. So there's a slide out there. Nice drawers, nice and deep for storage. You got the two 30-inch bunks, 30-inch wide, and if you want to put that out of the way, if the kids want to sit there and just lounge, you can definitely fold that bunk up. And once again, storage for the kids. Place to put stuff, which is so nice. I forgot to mention the blackout shades on all the windows. And back over there, a little place to hang jackets or shirts, whatever you'd like. Cell phone charger right there. Just looking back towards the front of the coach. Alright, so of course, Murphy bed. Couch during the day, bed at night, hers and hers closets right there. Nice drawers underneath, more storage, nice and deep again. And you've got 110 plug there and 110 plug there, so no one is left out. So this goes like this. We'll try doing this with one hand. That folds down. You grab this like this, pull this down, one more time, and there you've got your walk around bed. Not too shabby. It's still enough room to get out of the way, unless you have the counter extension up, and if you do, then that's your own fault. His and her nightstands with cell phone chargers, two more 110 plugs up there, and of course, don't forget the his and her reading lights, either blue or white light. Little cubby hole up there for hiding chocolate, whatever you want. Just a nice family coach. It's not too big. Once again, half-ton towable very easily with a brake controller and weight distribution hitch. A separate area for the kids. Say goodnight. That is so nice. I have kids, so don't get mad at me, so I can say that. So you can stay out here and play games at night, and they're in there doing their own thing or just sleeping and out of your way. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. For those of you who don't know where Duluth is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. This unit's here. It's available. It's the cheapest I can offer anybody right now. I've been here over 22 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. If you're interested at all, call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, so anytime we post a new video, you'll know exactly what we have in stock. Stay safe, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and happy camping.